This is something to start off the video, isn't it? Whoa! Something to start off the video. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Give it all you've got. Absolute hellfire. Let's go somewhere else. 36225. Can I have a look inside, please?
Sorry?
Can I have a look inside, please?
Yeah, go for it, mate.
Yeah, can I have it ride while you move forward, please?
Sorry?
Can I ride it while you move forward?
Yeah, just jump on, mate.
Yeah.
What about your bike?
My bike is fine. I'm just riding it while he moves forward to there.
Right. If it starts.
Yeah, never any issues with it starting upward. Yeah, and this is all. Right, now let's have a good look inside. Nope, but I have found a ticket from 57. Oh.
At the moment.
Yeah. Nice. Ooh. Thank you. Can I have a look in the cab, please?
Sorry?
Can I have a look in the cab?
Yeah, you can have a look.
Yeah.
Long arm on it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Cheers, mate. You have a good day.
Yeah. Oh. Last minute ticket, literally.
That's it. Good luck with that one.
Look who's come to meet me. Is it okay if you honk the horn, please, when you depart? Can you honk the horn, please, when you depart?
Not really allowed to. Not in the building area. It depends where I'm not here, mate.
Nice. 36225 has come to meet me. I'm happy about this. Crossover. E200 crossover as well. WA60 HLY 36229 and 36225 WA60 HLU. 36229 is on 98A rolls, 36225 is on the 57. MWA60s are not sounding great now, are they? I did like the fact that I rode one yesterday though. Hello 47959, YJ15 at 8EM. 98 service to Litnum. Okay, now about to depart is 36229 WA60HLY on the 157 service to Sidmouth. I would say 99 again, but I can't because it's not 99 yet. I haven't seen 36237 on the map yet. I'll have to double check where she is. (36229) WA60HLY on the 157 service to Sidmouth. Okay, now arriving is 27699. CN60, I'm on the verge. CN60 CVT on the 57 service from Exeter. Like to do a termination to form 57 service to Exeter. Okay, now. Okay. Here we have 27699 CN60 CVT. 57 service to Exeter. For first of all to return the nation. Obviously he's on the wrong side. They really need to change it back to double deckers, really. It's the wrong bus anyway. Just imagine that thing going on the 157, how much chaos it would actually be. They're only just about coping on 57. I feel double decker is a good idea. Okay, now about to arrive is 27699 CN60 CVT. Oh, he caught the curve a bit there. Anyway, let's see. Without passengers to board as per usual. And, nice. 27699 CN60 CVT 57 service to Exeter. Oh, as well, it's crossing over with 48007 right A15 ABF. I've also went to the 48011 but she failed, I think. Let's get a video shot. Let's see. 27699 CN60 CVT 57 service to Exeter. These trans buses are louder than ADL 400s and AX 100s combined. Okay, here we have a weather proposal for 4 car. 15221 and 15243. Not weather appearance. It's just the way it's come today. Right? Yeah. Could I have a look in the cab, please? Could I have a look in the cab, please?
We're going now. We're literally just getting ready to go, mate.
Sorry,
buddy.
Would it be okay if you give a little toot of the horn when you leave, please? Yeah.
We'll do.
Just a little bit will do. One 221 and 15243 on the Great Western Railway service to Paynton. Nice. I didn't do our coaches as well. Yeah. Let's get one from the back. Oh, USB ports. There's common things on coaches these days.
Sorry, Martin. Let me turn it on for you, son. There you go. There's the horn there.
Yeah. Let's give it a yeah.
Once they get used to it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, buddy.
Oh. I was hoping to have a day without trucks, but oh well. Let's have a look at this coach. Let's have a look at this coach then. Right? Would it be okay if I have a look inside, please?
Come on.
Walk through. Must have it. That's still a bit unfortunate on the other coach here. Would it be okay if I have a look at the cab, please?
Yeah, don't touch anything.
Can I honk the horn, please?
No, because he's sleeping.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so many good coaches here today. Unfortunately, yeah, all of them we can't though. Bit annoying how truck drivers are still here, sleeping. In a typical way. Shall we have a look at trains? Shall we just head to the train station, just record trains for the day? 15260, do you have to jump scare me anymore? It's about to be an arrival. Yep, a singular 150. Passing, I should say. Why'd you have your lights on in the daytime? I've ever seen trains with the lights on in the daytime. 15263. Great Western Railway service to Paignton, I believe. 24150 WA59 FSG. On the 57 service to Exeter. 24150 WA59 FSG. On the 57 service to Exeter. 48180 YJ74 DBU. What the hell are you doing? This is a staff bus. I don't know what it's doing down here though. 48180 YJ74 DBU. What are you doing here? You're definitely shorter, aren't you? Oh, there. Also, we're in 007 YJ15 ABS. Here is the replacement for 27699. It's 15927. YN63BWX. I swear some of SRs appear out of nowhere. 24145 WA59 FSB. 48027 YJ15 ABF. Empty on the 97 service. Haven't used this for a while, so let's see how much battery it really has, shall we? Oh. Alright, it's bright, so it won't be good. But let's see. Alright.
Hey, you've already been on. Do you want to come on again?
Yeah.
Come on then. How you doing?
Yeah. I've got my camera this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get some good photos then.
Yeah, might as well. You've moved from over there to over here now.
I have, yeah. I couldn't get it over there now before.
Hmm.
I thought you were going to come back and wash my coach for me.
I had to go back for some lunch.
Oh, what did you have for your dinner?
Just some noodles.
What did you have? Noodles?
Yeah.
Were they nice?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good then. I had a sandwich.
Would it be okay if I give it some more toots, please?
Yeah, let me turn it on. Go on then, buddy. You're gonna video yourself doing it.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually. Oh.
Do you want me to get a picture of you driving the coach, pretending to drive?
Oh, yeah.
Give us your phone then.
Hang on.
All cables and God knows what.
Nice.
Now you're a proper coach driver now.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I got everything there.
Make sure you got all your wires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be safe.
Yeah. Now let's actually get some shorts. Nice. Actually. Anyway, let's go and see some buses and trains and get some shots, shall we? I forgot about this 158, sorry viewers. One 58951, I believe. 24150. WA59 FXG. Nice. Tickets. Always nice to have tickets. Nice. Oh, let's see. Oh, no, let's have a look in here. Something in here. Yes. Ticket machine's not printed very well, is it?
I don't know if it's this one, it might be some other machine.
Is this one?
Yeah, is it this one?
24150, that's this bus.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
I haven't noticed anything unless it was earlier on, and I've just changed the row again now, actually. But, yeah. They're all getting a bit old.
Would it be okay if I honk the horn, please?
So it's not much, it's not a very good one now.
Is it okay if I give it a toot still?
There's no one there. They're just running.
No.
No.
Nice.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
These MANs are good. Oh, this one isn't very loud. This MAN isn't very loud. I don't think it's still. I think it's still not printed very well.
Right.
Oh dear. That did not work very well, did it? Yeah. That seems to be better now. Better than earlier on at least.
Well, only a little bit. Yeah, still at the top, not very good.
Hmm.
Hello.
Think it's running low on ink.
Sorry?
Think it's running low on ink.
Yeah. No, they don't. They're on thermal.
Huh?
There's no ink in it. It does it on thermal. It's thermal paper.
Mm.
So the heat onto the paper and then ink's in the
I knew
paper.
what to do.
Mm.
I'm not doing it myself. If I had time, I would have got a Greg's pasta machine. I've already had some toast as well.
There we go. 24150's horn isn't great. Two four one 50 WA59 FXG. Let's have a seat while we see it distant. Her horn is 24150. I think she might be next to scrap. I got tickets when I could. Hello, 15260, YN65 SDM, 157 service to Sidmouth, via Budley Salterton. 47099, WA040XP. What should be the 98 service to Sidmouth. Okay, 27814 SF62 CNE. 48010, Friday 15 ABO, on the 96 service from Limpstone. What the hell? Bruh, I have no idea what 48180's doing. 36225, WA68LU. 36225, WA68LU, 57 service to Exeter. Right. Is it okay if I have a look inside?
Well, before you film, just ask the person first.
Yeah. I'm not recording their faces, don't worry. And there's a ticket here. We sent down a different bus to do this today, but unfortunately it seems to have failed on the 99. So they had to go back to Matford. And this bus had to come back. Another ticket. Oh, this is from the 97. Oh, it's from the 99. Nice. And another ticket from 99 from today. 48007, YJ15 ABF. On the 97 service to Macy Road. I'm not sure if that's true though. I think, yeah, 48011 was meant to be doing this, but she failed. 24145, WA59 FXB. Okay, now back to buses 15927, YN63 BWX. 57 service to Exeter. For some reason it's going up this way though. Boy, 180, YJ74 DBU. I'm not sure what it is, but something nice anyway. Let's have it, sorry. Oh, sorry. No clue why this is here, but the bus have an old and new crossover. What the hell? You're not. What the hell? Four 8 010 48 180. I'm gonna have a look inside this. I wonder what it's here for. Unusual thing to see. Right? I wonder what that's doing here for.
Again?
I wonder what that's doing here for. All I know is that it's quite nice to see.
Yeah.
If only one of these were doing the 96 or whatever, I'd definitely be riding it, that's for sure. The wrist edition. .48 180 YJ74 DBU. Yeah, always. YJ74 as well. Newest members of the fleet. Why they've got more of these on, but I don't know. I need to call about this. I need to call my friends ASAP. 48 180 YJ74 DBU. Let's see. Is he the boss? Yeah, I think he is. Yeah, let's see. No, we give a toot though. No idea why he's here, but there we go. Right, shall we give a toot? Yeah. 48 180 YJ74 DBU. What the hell are you doing? Solasa! There's SR down there, there's SR there. And there's an SR here. What is it with solar SRs? So this is the mystery. Let's have a look. Alright?
Hello.
Is it okay if I have a look inside, please?
Crack on, mate. Feel free.
Yeah. Yeah, this bus was originally Scotland's, then it transferred down to Plymouth, and now it's Exeter's.
Correct.
Yeah. How come did we guess it from Plymouth anyway?
No idea, my friend. I just tried what they give me.
Yeah, apparently our MANs, 3 of them have gone on loan somewhere else for a minute. This is why I've got these ones. And it looks like there's a ticket. So at least the ticket machine works. Maybe it's the EPS that's the fault then. Oh, I know, I'm lucky to see this today. Yeah. Oh, let's have a look. 27176 SN64 OKB. I do quite like this actually. It's in we've got you with half its logo missing because they've not done a great job painting that logo. But look at this. .48010 YJ15 ABO. I'm not sure what's going on with 96, but I think that's become a solo SR or solo route now. 27176. SN64 OKB. Right.
Did you see that one? Did you get on the last one? 96?
Yeah, they managed to go all the way.
Good, well done, mate. Well
done. Quite often it disappears off the board after it's 2 times over its running date, it will disappear off the board.
That's correct.
So it's just a really good design, is it?
What do you think?
No. They should do what they do, what's like some of the ones in Exeter, where they say how late they're running.
It was there somewhere.
And it was always there.
Yeah.
Wait till you get the electric ones.
Right, they're not.
Sorbet in the new year.
Yeah, but they're not here yet. then, though. They'll be here probably next year or the year
Over
after.
here already.
Well, they're going
There's
to
no one in your service just yet.
they're going into Torquay, but the ones for Exeter will be probably next year or the year after.
It'll be a while away for Exeter ones, yeah.
Yeah.
We can't build the PowerPoints.
Oh no, how come?
Because where Marsh Barton is,
Yeah.
the marsh, it's sinking. Hence the name Marsh Barton. There you go. Now you know.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Would it be okay if you honk the horn please when you depart?
Say again, sorry.
Could you honk the horn please when you depart?
I will do what I can.
Yeah.
It's not very good, this one. It doesn't work very well.
27176 SN64 OKB. Don't think it's working. Matford needs to have a look at that then if it's not working. Or is he just playing? I think he's playing. You can just say no if he doesn't want to do the horn, that's fine. Up chair solo. There's the 98. Is this the bus in the second it's loaded up? Come on, I'll keep the bus waiting. I won't be keeping it waiting forever. Right, Rooper? Right, Rooper, can I have a look inside quickly? Oh, there's passengers! Doors are quite slow on these solos, aren't they, Rooper? Doors are quite slow, aren't they? Yeah. 47099 W804TXP 98 service to Litton Green. It will be diverted due to road closure. Lovely noises from 47099 W804TXP. She's black rather than white. $24150 WA59 FSG. Let's see if I can have a look. Please, MAN's right high. RC. Right, can I have a look inside quickly?
You can, but you had a look on mine just now. The last one.
Is it okay if I have a look inside very, very quick?
Very quickly.
Yeah. Nice. See if there's anything in here.
I don't think there is actually.
No.
They've been very good today. They've been looking after me.
Yeah. You know, I like the horn. Two for 150 has no tickets. This is quite nice to see. Also look good for my collection there, which is quite full. Although it's empty still pretty much. I did a 99 ticket, a 98A, 157 and yeah, 157 and 1990, which I won't be able to get. Did I just say 1990 as a solo PS? 47099 27814 27814 SF62CNE. We have become a complete train bus area now. We are literally driving 300. We are all single deckers now, except for the 99 and the occasional 57. Such as 1597 today. We're hardly working the 57. Two 7814. You have caught the curb. Let's see. Oh, shut down. Let's have a look inside if I can. Oh, 98A, right behind. 98A behind this one. If you're watching the 98A, it's going to be behind this one. W6224 WA68LR. One of the buses I need as well. I haven't actually had a look at this one yet. So let's see. Right.
I'm not boarding anyone. There's still 20 minutes.
Three 6224 WA68LR on 98A service to Ditton. I'm a driver who knows me too well now. We're going to go triple crossover. The Volvo. Nice. Caught that. Four 7099 WA04TXP on the 357 service to Budley Salterton. One 5260 YN65 XDM. Yeah. Well, once this thing is deposited, I'm collecting that. So you need to hurry up and depart, really. I never thought I'd say this, but you need to depart quickly. Oh God. 47099 WA04TXP on 357 service Butley Salterton, as well as 15260 YN65 XDM on the 99 service to Brixington. Oh, if this pot got squished by 15260, then that's it, isn't it, really? So 36229 is on whilst 15926 is out. That's it, be quick, do not squish my ticket. Good. 15260 is good. I've always said she's a good bus and now I really think she is. See, you didn't run over a ticket. Okay, now my bus is 15665 WA10GHG 95 service to Sandy Bay.
Only got a minute or so.
Yeah, you got about 3 minutes.
For you to be on, I've got a minute.
Yeah.
I'm English.
27814. Perfect.
Dialect. Dialect.
Another 57. Perfect.
It's mellow, isn't it?
Perfect. Another ticket down here. Oh. No. Yes. Oh. Oh. Don't want. Thank you. 27814 SF62C and E. 57 service to Exeter. Anyway, that's all right, my tickets once she's departed. Oh, another one rare appearance on the 96. I'm not sure if it's going to become more common or not. Even the Solar Sark struggled yesterday. Oh, it's usually at 800 anyway. I don't get why they changed it to Solar Sark, so. Yeah, it was. The party now is 27814 SF62C and E. Oh. Right. We've hit the curve a bit here.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying.
Flat, you say?
Huh?
Is that flat, you say? Flat.
We've hit the curve.
It's not flat, but it was definitely air coming out.
It's probably air from the air tank.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you have a look here, you'll see just how bad it really is. Yeah. And at least try it though. Because I mean, you've got to move forward anyway, haven't you? Yeah, that'll be your time to see if it's good or not, won't it? Just saw the driver. Oh dear, 48010 did not sound healthy. Nice. Oh, he sorted it. Who wants to, mate? Go on then. Try it. You're not meant to be departing, or are you? I think he has punctured something, because it is hissing. Oh, she's got rubbed out that sissy thing. 48010 is not healthy anymore. I think she's going to have to be replaced. I think he's burst an air pipe or something.